Hold. Step in. Don't hesitate. Step in. Step in. And then 3, 2, 1, exhale. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Feet up here. In. Out. Trust. Trust the breathing. In. Out. Good job. Nice one, Sherry. Inhale. Hold. Squeeze. And then relax. Nice one, Sherry. You're doing good. Tuloy mo lang. Tuloy mo lang siya. You're gonna feel really intense electric feeling, tingling. It's all normal. It's all normal. Trust. Inhale. Out. One more inhale. Hold. Long exhale. Nice. Tuloy lang natin yun. Tuloy mo yung cycle, sir. Exhale. You can release a sigh anytime. In. Sigh it out. Yes. Shoulders in. Shoulders in. Good job. In.